Hello friends, my name is Shankar Vishnu and today we are going to learn about NLTK, that is NLP tool. This tool is using for making the manipulation to provide the better result to the human when it comes to the interaction with computer. NLP works on just like email, text message, tweets and any type of your status update on social media. With the help of NLP, you can provide the best rated products to the user on your e-commerce website, or you can also find out the trending news topics around the world is going on by getting the tweets on the Twitter. All such type of task is done with the help of NLP. Today we are just fetching the data from the Twitter in the form of JSON file, and we will try to fetch out how many nouns in total text and adjectives. Nouns means you can just say that how many topics is going to be discussed or discussed in the complete flow of our file. Here you can look this one. Firstly you have to download or install the NLTK 3.02 version, and the data you can see here. Not this one, that file is this one code. This Python MNLTK downloader you can just copy and paste on your terminal. This will download all the file of Twitter samples. This Twitter samples file organization will be like this one. I am going to show you. Just see this NLTK data corpora. Here you will get Twitter sample folder, this one, and here all the three file, mainly three file: negative tweet JSON, positive tweets JSON and complete tweets. Here we are going to work on positive tweet JSON. Firstly we are going to open this one. These files of JSON will be like this one. Here the many too much data of tweets is described here. We will fetch this data in our program, and we will next task will be calculate the noun and adjective which is used in this JSON file. Firstly we make this Twitter, just showing you what the result is coming here. Print tweets, and all the remaining code I am going to hide. It is too big file, you may look this one. This is the file is inside this JSON file, and this is a very big data of Twitter. Now we move further and make each line in tokenized format with the help of this code: Twitter sample dot tokenized. Twitter sample will be the data what here from the library we will get, and we will continuously run single program what the output is coming here. You can see this. I am commenting this line. In the file error is just also make here comment this single line. Here in each tweet every line is here described, that first data this one, and in single tweet this all data is organized. And now I am going to break this one in post text sentence. With the help of post text sentence we provide which type of this English sentence is using here. Here in CC, CD, DT, NN, VBS, all type of English vocabulary is with the help of this library you can put here. Let's see output of this program by implementing this one. Here now look at this one. This is the output of this one line, and another is this. We using break, so only single tweet it will follow, and it calculates the noun. This one, look, every line is make a tuple in which type of this data is, and here NN and JJ is using just like this adjective value, and this is for noun value NN, and we after that calculate with the help of this one, and after all completion of programming, this will show the how many nouns and adjective is using here. And we remove break sentence and hide this one, and now we will get complete data, complete noun and adjective in this JSON format. Each it will be take little more time, and now this one, all the data is printed here with the help of tokenized format, and last format the noun and adjective is count, that in this complete file total 13,180 and 194 adjective is using, that is 13,000 subject is going is discussed in this data. Thank you.